What are you pairing this amazing sauce with? This is the best ever spinach sauce you ever made, guys. Just look at it. This simple to make, it turned out so delicious. Look at this, guys. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. In my saucepan, I added in oil, followed by sliced onion. I'm using the white and the red onion. I added in chili pepper and crushed garlic. So if you want, you can put all these veggies in your blender, blend until almost smooth, and then add it to the oil. I then added in anchovies, the canned one. This is more or less like momoni. This is what we use. This is what we use here. It's like fermented fish. So I then added in Italian salami and then fried this for about 5 minutes. The salami that I use is totally optional. That's like more or less like salted meat. So I fried it for 5 minutes and then I took it out from the oil. Once the stew is almost ready, I'll add it back to the stew. I then added in the tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. You can use canned tomatoes as well. I added in a little bit of water to help cook the tomatoes and then I covered it. I let it cook. In the meantime, I went ahead and prepped my spinach and then I boiled it on the other side of the stove. So once the stew was almost ready, I added in dried herrings and dried shrimp powder. After, I added in carrots and then I fried some turkey earlier on. So that's the meat that I used, but you can use any meat of your choice. You can use fish as well. So I added in the turkey and then the salami. Stir and let it cook until it's ready, and then you are good to add in the spinach. So basically this is the easiest process, and trust me, it's delicious. It turned out delicious, guys. Stir till well combined, let it cook for some few minutes more, like 2 to 3 minutes should be fine, and add in your beaten eggs. And basically you're done. You're good to go, guys. Look at this. It's the easiest way to make your spinach stew, guys. Just look at this. After, go ahead and add in your beaten eggs. Don't stir it right ahead. Let it cook until the eggs are ready. You still want some crunchiness of eggs or some chunks of eggs in your stew, so don't stir it right ahead. Let it cook until the eggs are ready, and then go in with a spoon and stir it. Once it is ready, the last ingredients that I added was sliced onion, and those are all the ingredients needed. But you can use any veggies of your choice. You can add in like more veggies. If you have any kind of veggies that you want to use, you can add it to it and you are good to go. Just look at it. This is delicious. So like I said, what are you pairing this amazing sauce with? I ate mine with some rice, and I think the next day I ate it with yam. And it was delicious, trust me. It was delicious. Look at this, guys. So all you have to do is to stir it, let it cook for about 3 minutes more, and this is ready. So my son loves eggs, so I added eggs to it for my son. Don't tell me too much eggs. Guys, that is it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed. Wow, delicious.